Hi fam and friends, Dom here, your fashion forecaster, and I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. So this is from Zuri. It's the V8-9-10 weave, and this one is the rod set. It looks like my natural hair, that's why I like it. And the texture also, and it looks like I really did put rod curls in my hair, or the perm rods. It looks just like that. They have different ones. The loose deep, the waterways, the rod set, which is what I have. The Wanda curls. I've had Wanda curls and I had the go-go curls. They look awesome on me as well. Oh, and this weave, by the way, is only $7.99 plus taxes, like $8-9. So under $10, guys. You can't beat this for a week of looking fly and gorgy. Okay, what you're gonna need is, of course, the needle and thread, a razor, and a comb. Once you lay down your foundation of your hair pattern, like I just did, you start sewing. Here's the closure piece. I like to pluck the closure piece a little bit more so the part could look a little bit bigger.
Tori on the beat.
I'm ready to shine, yeah. I'm ready to shine. I'm ready to shine, yeah. I'm ready to shine. I'm ready to shine, yeah. My niggas they on and they on, so you know we gotta get that. Y'all niggas say shoot your shot with a Draco, no kickback. There's soldiers out here on the block serving this and that. My nigga, it's okay if you ain't never been through that. Nah, I gotta stay on task. Yeah, I'm on your ass. Why you speeding, why you going so fast? Why this lifestyle moving so fast? Yeah, so fast. Whoa, just gotta slow down. Yeah, bitch keep calling my phone, back to back like a repeat. I pick up the phone, she calling just to say that she miss me. Shorty don't think I cut her off, please don't tell me. That bitch is even lucky even if I let her touch me. Shorty getting annoying cause she turned up on the Remy. How you going to war with a pistol, you better grab your Sammy. If you wanna find me, it ain't hard to get up with me. Looking around, oh my gosh, they some fucking loose screws. Chop up, make a nigga flip, boy, fuck your deuce. Had to go and get some cash, had to cop some new shoes. Gotta stay on top, just how I'm supposed to. If these niggas talking, say fuck them, they don't know you. Nah, they don't know you. If they hatin' on the low, tell them fuck you. My niggas they on and they on, so you know we gotta get that. Y'all niggas say shoot your shot with a Draco, no kickback. There's soldiers out here on the block serving this and that. My nigga, it's okay if you ain't never been through that. Nah, I gotta stay on task. Yeah, I'm on your ass. Why you speeding, why you going so fast? Why this lifestyle moving so fast?
Tori on the beat.
I'm ready to shine, yeah. I'm ready to shine. I'm ready to shine, yeah. I'm ready to shine. I'm ready to shine, yeah. My niggas they on and they on, so you know we gotta get that. Y'all niggas say shoot your shot with a Draco, no kickback. There's soldiers out here on the block serving this and that. My nigga, it's okay if you ain't never been through that. Nah, I gotta stay on task. Yeah, I'm on your ass. Why you speeding, why you going so fast? Why this lifestyle moving so fast? Yeah, so fast. Whoa, just gotta slow down. Yeah, bitch keep calling my phone, back to back like a repeat. I pick up the phone, she calling just to say that she miss me. Shorty don't think I cut her off, please don't tell me. That bitch is even lucky even if I let her touch me. Shorty getting annoying cause she turned up on the Remy. How you going to war with a pistol, you better grab your Sammy. If you wanna find me, it ain't hard to get up with me. Looking around, oh my gosh, they some fucking loose screws. Chop up, make a nigga flip, boy, fuck your deuce. Had to go and get some cash, had to cop some new shoes. on top, just how I'm supposed to. If these niggas talking safe, fuck them, they don't know you.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I am loving it. I am gonna be looking fly for like a week or two, yeah, maybe even a month. So that's it. I hope you guys like this look. Let me know if you like this look on me and would you rock it? Anyways, it's your girl Dom, your fashion forecaster, and remember to stay fashionably fabulous. Bye.
Tori on the beat.